If you're thinking about investing in an active ETF, it's worth pausing to ask a few key questions first. These can help you figure out whether it's the right fit for you and how it fits into your broader portfolio. Every active ETF follows a different approach. Some are growth-focused, some aim for value, others are sector-specific or regionally targeted. So look at the fund's objective. Is it aiming for income, capital growth, or maybe risk reduction? All investments carry risk, but active ETFs can carry a bit more, especially if they're concentrated or focused on more volatile markets. So read the key investor information document and check how much the ETF deviates from its benchmark. Active ETFs have typically higher fees than passive ones, but how high is too high? Compare fees against similar funds, and remember, performance needs to justify the cost. Fees are deducted annually and can eat into returns. Look into the fund provider's track record. Is it a team of experienced managers or a newer entrant? Have they managed through both up and down markets? While past performance isn't a guarantee, it can help give you some context. An active ETF shouldn't be a standalone bet, so think about how it complements what you already own. Does it diversify your holdings, or is it doubling down on a sector you're already exposed to? Taking the time to answer these 5 questions can help you make better informed decisions and avoid surprises later. Active ETFs can be a powerful part of your portfolio, but only if you understand what you're investing in and why.